अगर व्यूज़ पाना ही मेरा एम होता तो मैं कब तक क्विट कर चुका होता। Let me tell you something honestly. I get very few views on my videos, and the only comments and likes you can see on my channel are done either by my family or by my friends. But still, I will keep posting, and there are three main reasons why one should do so. So let's go for the first reason, which I would say is the main reason why I am here. I will get better at speaking, expressing and thinking. In short, I will call it as skill compounding. Honestly speaking, I am not very good at English. Many times I fumble while speaking, especially when I am not scripted. But that's not the thing. Every time I upload, something invisible improves. The first time I spoke to the camera, I felt awkward. I overthought. I repeated the words. And now, slightly better, right? So that's called skill compounding. Even if YouTube disappears tomorrow, my ability to speak clearly won't. And that's leverage. So with this leverage, we come upon the point number 2.
When I talk to you about it, you're in defense mode.
Here's something weird. You think you understand something, but when you try to explain it on camera, your brain freezes like anything. And here's the time when you realize you lack clarity. Making and creating videos forces you to organize the messy thoughts into structured ideas. And here, everything improves. Studying becomes sharper, conversations become stronger, and decision making becomes faster. So remember, you're not just making a content, you're upgrading your operating system. So with this upgrade, we arrive at the point number 3.
I'll never go on like this, so don't you.
The grown YouTubers like Tharul Speaks, Ishan Sharma and Sanko Kun always advise youth to start making content as soon as possible. Some of you may say ki,
this is our story and we should not follow any other people.
you fool. Even they have came through the phase of 10 views. So please listen them. और अगर रही बात मेरी, so yeah, my views are low, but my growth isn't. And one day, either the views will catch up or I will still win cause I have built something inside me. And for being honest, that's the enough reason to continue. So making content will work for betterment of me. And as I always say, strive for betterment.